Your footage with a consistent look, ready for grading. Diachromie and Diaphanie are two plugins offering full parametric and artistic control over your images, all within a streamlined look development framework designed to craft unique looks. Start building in Diachromie. Shape the contrast and color tone curves. Push further, refine every color with precision. Add texture with Diaphanie. Dial in micro and macro details. Fine-tune halation, diffusion, and procedural grain. It's not just a LUT or a film emulation. It's a parametric look development suite built for professional workflows. Craft a bold, reliable, and meaningful look for a project, while keeping it open to refinement at every stage of production. Save your looks, evolve them over time, deploy them across any workflow, scene, camera, and delivery. From subtle to stylized, your images stay true to your vision. Diachromie and Diaphanie, a limitless look creation suite, empowering filmmakers.